This is Opinion Radar. If you've spent any real time at a router table, you know that balance between control and precision, it's a constant negotiation. You want clean cuts, but you also want your fingers firmly attached to your hands. Today, we're diving into the JessEm Clear Cut Precision Stock Guides, a solution designed for woodworkers who are ready to elevate their router table game without reinventing the setup every time. Priced at $103, these aren't the kind of add-on you pick up on impulse, but they promise something compelling, reliable, repeatable feed control with legitimate safety benefits. I've been testing them across various projects, some delicate, some demanding, and what started as curiosity quickly turned into routine. Now, I reach for them as often as I do my push blocks. So, what makes them stand out in a world full of hold downs and featherboards? Let's get into how these guides perform when the router fires up and the chips start flying. When it comes to router table safety and precision, the JessEm Clear Cut Precision Stock Guides have genuinely changed the way I approach my workflow. These guides aren't just an accessory, they're a game changer. The dual roller hold down system does an exceptional job keeping stock firmly pressed against the fence and flat on the table, which is something I used to manage awkwardly with my hands or a hodgepodge of featherboards. Now, the material feeds through smoothly, the cut quality is noticeably cleaner, and I'm not constantly worried about the piece lifting or shifting mid-pass. The build quality is outstanding. Solid aluminum construction with smooth rolling rollers that don't bind or grab. It's clear this was designed by people who actually use router tables. Installation was straightforward, and fine-tuning the position takes minutes, thanks to the user-friendly adjustment system that allows for quick micro-corrections on both vertical and horizontal planes. In practice, these guides shine during repetitive routing tasks, like when I was trimming a batch of cabinet doors recently. Usually, I'd be tense throughout, focusing more on holding everything down than on the cut itself. With the JessEm guides in place, I was able to relax, maintain consistent feed rates, and focus on accuracy. The anti-kickback feature, thanks to the rear roller, gives me serious peace of mind, especially when working with smaller or narrower pieces that tend to twist unpredictably. It's not just about safety, it's about confidence. You start trusting the setup, which means faster, cleaner work. And on wider stock, the automatic hold-down action works like a charm. That said, with very narrow pieces, especially on long grain passes, I found I still needed an outer push stick to help feed the material through without binding. It's a small limitation, but worth noting for anyone working on intricate or tight profile projects. One of the biggest wins here is how these replace the need for multiple featherboards. I used to clutter my fence with a stack of them, constantly repositioning and adjusting. Now, it's just one sleek unit doing the work of four. It saves space, reduces setup time, and keeps the work area cleaner and safer. I've even noticed my edges are more consistent, probably because the pressure is uniform and mechanical, not human and slightly shaky. The visibility over the top is better too, so I can actually see the bit and the cut line without craning my neck or removing safety gear. But let's be honest, the price tag stings a bit. At $103, it's not a casual purchase. I hesitated for months before pulling the trigger, but after consistent use, I can say it's money well spent. That said, if you're only using your router table occasionally, the cost might feel hard to justify upfront. As someone who's been working with wood for years, but only recently started pushing my router table hard, I can't imagine running it without these guides now. They've not only improved my results, but also made the entire process feel safer. So much so that I've recommended them to every workshop buddy I know. There's a moment you don't forget. The first time your hands are completely free during a critical cut, and you realize you're not white-knuckling a board anymore. That freedom is worth a lot. The durability seems excellent, though I'll reserve final judgment after a year or two of heavy use. So far, no wobble, no wear, no issues. If you're serious about your router work, especially joinery, face framing, or door trimming, these guides are one of those buy it once, use it forever tools. A small compromise on your wallet for a big leap in performance and peace of mind. If you're ready to take control of your router table with precision and confidence, the JessEm guides are a must-try. Don't let shaky feeds or safety concerns hold you back. Elevate your craft. And just like these guides lock things down, lock in your spot in the workshop, know-how lineup. Like this video and subscribe for more game-changing tools that keep your projects moving forward smoothly.